On this video today, I'm going to show you a free robot that you can use to make up to $500 per day as a complete beginner with zero skills and without any experience. This method is free, so make sure you keep on watching till the end so that I will show you everything that you need to know about this method. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos. So now let's get into the details. The first step is that you are going to come right here and then click on the marketplace. Once you click on the marketplace, you are going to see a page like this. So the next step is that you are going to scroll down. Once you scroll down, you are going to come to the category section. Once you come here, you are going to click on e-business and e-marketing category. So just click on that so that you can find products under that category to promote. Once you click on e-business and e-marketing, you are going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to come right here. You can see sort resource by. So you are going to click on this particular box right here. Once you click on it, you are going to select gravity. You want to arrange the products based on the number of people who made sales with the products. So as you can see right here, get paid to use Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. This particular product has the highest gravity under this category. You can see it right here, 280. So it means a lot of different affiliates got sales promoting this particular product. When you scroll down, there are many others that you can promote. You can see a whole lot of them, but we are going to select one to promote in this particular video. So now what you are going to do is that you are going to promote the first one right here. You can see right here you are going to be earning $29.74 per every sale that you get. And you can see right here they have a recurring commission of $52.98. So once you earn this amount, you still have the chance to earn $52 when your referrals buy an upsell product. To promote the product, what you have to do is that you have to click right here affiliate page so that you can find out if the product owner has resources for you that you can use to promote the product. So just click on affiliate page. Once you click on affiliate page, you are going to see a page like this. So let me scroll down for you to see. You can see right here they have a lot of different resources that you can use to promote the product. You can see they have email swipe, banners, you can see Facebook ad images, you can see Pinterest pins, and a whole lot of different resources that you can use to promote the product. So we are not going to touch any of them now. We shall come back to them later. So now once you get to know the resources that you can use to promote the product, the next step is that you are going to get your affiliate link. So just click right here promote. Once you click on promote, you are going to see a page like this. As you can see, this is my nickname, so you are going to see your nickname right here. Once you see your nickname, you can just click right here create hop link. Once you click on create hop link, you can see this is your affiliate link. So anytime you get people to buy the product through this particular link, you are going to be earning money on ClickBank. So you can just click right here to copy it. We are not going to copy it now. I'm going to show you a smart way that you can use to promote this particular link for free without paying for anything. So we shall come back to this particular link later. So the next step is that you are going to search for this particular writing bot, anywhere.com. Once you search for it, you are going to see a page like this. You can click right here to start for free. You are not going to pay for anything. If you want more words, you can upgrade your account, but we can use the free version to do what I'm going to show you now. So just click right here start for free so that you can sign up for your accounts. In my case, I have an account, so I'm going to log in to show you step by step on how to use this particular tool. Once you create your free accounts and log in, you are going to see a page like this. So what you have to do is that you have to come right here, click on blog wizard. Once you click on blog wizard, you are going to see a page like this. We want to write a blog post, so just click right here new blog post. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you are going to see a page like this. So now what you have to do is that you have to type a title of any blog post that you want to write. So you just type some keywords here so that this particular robot can generate a full article for you. So we are going to go back to ClickBank. Once you come back to ClickBank, you can see the product is about how to make money online. You can see right here on social media. So we are going to search for how to make money online so that the tool can generate an article for us. So let's type something like how to make $500 a day online. Just type something like this. So how to make $500 per day online. How to make $500 per day online. Just something like this. So once you have your title, the next step is that you are going to scroll down. If you want, you can add some keywords. If you don't like, just leave it like that. If you don't want to enter the keywords, just come right here, click on next. Once you click on next, you can see it has generated a lot of different titles. If you want, you can select any of these titles. So just read all of them and then select the one that you like. In my case, I'm going to select the second one, how to make $500 per day online, 4 simple steps. So I'm going to select this one right here. If you want, you can select any of them. To select it, just click on this particular small box. Once that is done, you are going to click on next. Once you click on that, you can see it has generated an outline for your article. You can see it right here. If you don't like it, you can click right here, generate again, so that it will generate a different outline. So let me click on it for you to see. As you can see, that has been done. You can see right here, it has generated a different outline. If you don't like this one, you can click on generate again, and it's going to generate a different outline. In my case, I like this particular one because it talks about affiliate marketing. So if you like it, just click right here next, so that it will then write the introduction for your article. Once you click on next, you can see it has written different introductions that you can use. You can see the first one right here. You can see the second one right here. Let me scroll down for you to see. You can see the third one. So any of them that you like, you are going to select it. In my case, I like the first one, so just click right here to select it. Once that is done, you are going to click on next, so that it can generate a full article for you. So just click on next. Once you click on next, click right here, continue to editor. Just close this box. As you can see, that has been done. Once you click on that, you can see this is the outline. You can see everything. You can see the outline of your articles. So now the next step is that you are going to develop these points. You want to write some brief information about them. To generate the content for this particular point, what you have to do is that you have to come right here, click on generate. As you can see, it is generating. You can see it has generated. The next thing is that you are going to come to the second one. So just put your pointer right here. Once you put your pointer right here, you are going to click on generate. As you can see, it has generated content for the second step. You can see the information right here. So you are going to continue to the third step. So just put your pointer right here and then click on generate, so that it will generate for you. I'm going to do that and then come back to you. As you can see, it has generated the content. You can see everything. So let me scroll for you to see. You can see this is the last step. It has generated useful content. You can see this, the third step, useful content. When you come to the second step, you can see it has generated a lot of useful content. You can see the first one right here. You can see this is your intro. So now you have a full article. You can just click right here to copy it. Once you have your full article, the next step is that you are going to open a Google document, so that you can copy and paste this particular content. So just search for docs.google.com. Once you search for that, you are going to see a page like this. Just click on blank, so that you can create a new document. Once you click on blank, you are going to see a page like this. So the next step is that you are going to go back to the tool and then copy your article. So just come right here, click on copy, so that you can copy your full article. Once that is done, you're going to come back on your document and then paste your full article right here. As you can see, that has been done. This is a very lengthy document that you can share. You can see it has 2 pages. You can see the content. As you can see, everything. So what you have to do is that you have to highlight the heading and then make it bold. So just highlight it, come right here, click on bold. Once that is done, you are also going to increase the font size. So just click on this plus sign, so that the font size can be increased. As you can see, that has been done. So let me decrease it a little bit. You can see that has been done. The next step is that you are going to add an image to it, so that this particular document will look nice. So just put your pointer right here and then press enter. As you can see, that has been done. Once that is done, you are going to insert an image right here. To get free images, you are going to search for this website, pexels.com. Once you search for it, you are going to see a page like this. So just type in money, so that you can get some free images that you can use without any copyright strike. Just search for money. Once you search for it, you can get a lot of different royalty free images. So as you can see, a lot of different images. So you are going to download one of them and then use it in your article. In my case, I'm going to select this one right here. So just click on it and then click free download. Once you click on free download, you can see it is downloading. So it's going to be downloaded onto my PC. Once that is done, you are going to come back on your document and then click right here. You can see insert image. So just click on that. Once you click on it, select upload from computer. Once you click on upload from computer, you're going to select your image and then click on open. It's going to be uploaded right here. As you can see, that has been done. You can see this is your image. The next step is that you are going to monetize this particular document. To monetize it, you have to insert your affiliate links into it, so that anyone who reads this particular document, they can click through your affiliate link and then buy the product that you are promoting on ClickBank. For example, you can create space here. Once you create a space, you are going to write a call to action right here. So you can type any call to action like click here to get paid for using Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. So just something like this. Click here to get paid for using Facebook, Twitter and YouTube. So just something like this. Once you have your call to action, you are going to highlight it and then make it bold. Once you make it bold, you are going to come back on ClickBank. Just click on promote again. Once you click on it, you are going to click on create hop link so that you can get your affiliate link. Once you click on that, you can see your affiliate link right here. Click on copy so that you can copy your affiliate link. Once you copy your affiliate link, you're going to come back on your document. You can see the text has been highlighted. Just click on this particular icon, insert link. Once you click on that, you are going to paste your affiliate link right here. As you can see, that has been done. Click on apply so that your link will be inserted right here. You can see that has been done. So you are going to repeat this particular call to action in many times in the document. So just repeat it as many as you can in the document. So I'm going to do that and then come back to you. I've inserted my link in many parts of the document. You can see right here, this is my affiliate link. I have also changed the text. You can see social media jobs for beginners. Click here to find out. That is a call to action. When you scroll down, you can see there's another call to action right here. When you scroll down to the bottom, you can see there's another call to action right here. Click here to get paid for using your favorite social media. So just something like this. So you have to insert a lot of call to action like this in your document. Once you have your call to actions, the next step is that you are going to download this particular document. So just come right here, click on file. Once you click on file, you are going to select download. Once you select download, you are going to select PDF document. Just select that. As you can see, the document is downloading. As you can see, the document has opened by itself. You can see this is the document. So anyone who reads this particular document, they are going to see this particular call to action. So once they click on it and then purchase the product that we are promoting on ClickBank, we are going to be making money from home. As you can see, there's another call to action. So definitely we are going to get people who read this particular document and then click through our affiliate link so that they can purchase the product. So the next step is that we are going to share this particular document to a lot of people so that they can read it and then purchase the product for you to make money. So you are going to come on this website, mediafire.com. This particular website is a file sharing website that you can upload your file here and then share it to anyone that you like. You can also store your file here for free. So just click right here to sign up for a free account. So in my case, I have an account, so I'm going to log in to show you. Once you create your accounts and log in, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, upload, so that you can upload your document. Once you click on that, you can see, just click on the plus sign so that you can choose your document and then upload it. So we are going to upload our document. So just select it, click on open, and it's going to be uploaded right here. You can see this is the document. Once that is done, you are going to click here, begin upload, and it's going to be uploaded. You can see right here, it is uploading. So just wait for it to upload fully. As you can see, the document has been uploaded. So now to share your document, what you have to do is that you have to click right here, copy link, so that you can copy your link and then share it to anyone that you like. So once you share this link to anyone, they can download this particular document on the website for free without paying for anything. So just click on copy link so that you can copy your link. Once you copy your link, you are going to come on this website, kraken.org. This website has a lot of leaked information that you can get access for free without paying for anything. You can see right here, they have information on coding, graphics, money, marketplaces, so you can sell different things on this particular website. So once you click on money, you are going to see some leaked information about how to make money online for free. So you just click on it. So once you click on it, you can see right here they have monetization techniques, different ways that you can monetize your content. You can see a whole lot of different methods that you can use to make money for free. So many people come here to download leaked information so that they can use it to make money from home. So if you want secret information on monetization, you are going to click on monetization techniques, and you are going to get some secret documents that will show you how to monetize your content. If you want different ways of making money, you can click right here, make money, and you are going to get some secret information. So what we are going to be doing is that we are going to seize this opportunity so that we can share our document as a secret way of making money, so that a lot of people will download it and then read. So once they read it, they are going to see our call to action, click through it, and then purchase the product for us to make money. To post your document right here, what you have to do is that you have to register for an account. The website gets most of its traffic from tier 1 countries. You can see right here, United States 17.30%, France is 5.66%, Spain is 4.28%, you can see German right here 4.10%, and you can see Mexico. So you are going to get a lot of different people around the world to read your document and then take the action. So just come back and then create your free accounts. In my case, I have an account, so I'm going to log in. Once you create your accounts and log in, you're going to see a page like this. So you can post anything to any of these sub forums under money. If you want, you can come to the general section and then paste anything that is relevant. So in our case, we are talking about money, so you can just come right here and select any of them. So we are going to select the first one right here, monetizing techniques. Just click on it. Once you click on it, you can see right here somebody has posted make money with TikTok instantly. You can see right here it has got up to 1k views. You can see this one has got 2k views. You can see 2k views. As I scroll down, you can see a lot of different posts that have gotten thousands of views. You can see this one 8,000 views, 1k views, 2k views. You can see 503 views, and you can see that all these posts were made today. You can see this, all of them were made today with the exception of this one which was posted yesterday. You can see today, and the rest. So if you post the document right here, the likelihood of you getting many people to download it is very high. So just come right here, click on post thread so that you can post a thread on the forum. Once you click on post thread, you are going to see a page like this. So here you are going to type a title. As you can see, this is my title right here. Discover how to make $500 per day as a complete beginner. So you can write any title that is relevant. Once that is done, you can see hide. In our case, we don't want to hide it. So what you have to do is that you have to delete all of this. So just delete it, delete everything. So now what you have to do is that you are going to type a call to action. So just type something like click this link to get access for free. Something like this. Click this link to get access for free. Once that is done, you are going to paste your link right here. Not your direct affiliate link, but the link to this particular document. So just copy it once again. Once you copy it, just come back and then paste your link right here. So just paste your link right here. As you can see, that has been done. If you want, you can use bit.ly to shorten it. If you want, you can leave it like this. In my case, I'm going to leave it like this. Once that is done, we are going to click right here, preview, so that you can preview it and then look at how it is going to appear. You can see this is how it is going to appear, and it is clickable. You can see it right here. So what we are now going to do is that we are going to post it onto the platform. So just click right here, post thread. Once you click on post thread, you can see it has been posted. So anytime people see your post, they are going to click right here so that they can download the document. So that is it for today's video. If you are new and you have not subscribed, kindly hit the subscribe button, press the notification bell for updates of my next videos.